ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. On inspection cameras, the distal tip refers to the tip of the insertion tube that is the furthest away from the user during a remote visual inspection, or RVI. Micro camera technology, or the functional parts of the working channel, are located at or near the distal tip. On inspection cameras with longer insertion tubes, some maintenance technicians will put notches or markings on the insertion tube so that they know exactly how far they have the inspection camera submerged within the inspected machine. This can be important to know because as the technician retrieves the camera from the machine, if not done carefully, the distal tip that contains the micro camera and articulating tip can fall to the ground or even get snagged on the insertion point, causing damage. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.